Sciatica, the bring about and the treatment. Sciatica is the identify people today give to a suffering in the buttock, leg or foot brought on as a direct outcome of some kind of irritation to the sciatic nerve. It runs all the way from the reduced back splitting at the base of the spine and terminating in the foot. The discs which cushion the vertebrae in the reduced back come to be progressively thinner and more challenging as we get older. This stresses the decreased back again and often leads to a variety of decreased back again soreness issues, like sciatica. Sciatica is generally triggered by a prolapsed or slipped disc bulging and pressing onto a nerve. It doesn't commonly lead to long-lasting nerve hurt given that the spinal cord is not existing in the reduced element of the spine and a prolapsed or herniated disc in this location does not pose a risk of paralysis. Please visit this site reliefofsciaticapain.com.